Hi guys! Nandito na naman po ako. Yours truly, Marilyn, your friendly Filipina carpentera here in America. Tapos tonight guys, finally, after so many months kasi tinatamad na ako to finish my job here. Yun, ito po yung storage / closet na ginawa kong extension sa additional bedroom na ginawa ko din. Tapos, hindi siya makonsider na bedroom pag walang storage ng ganyan. Kaya, tinatapos ko na. Yan yung green na yan, wallpaper yan. Tapos, very chippy pipe tingnan. Nag-regret ako na yan yung ginawa. I could have covered that with a proper drywall. Kaya lang, limited talaga yung space. Kaya, kailangan kong ma-utilize yung space. Kaya yan yung ginawa ko. Hindi ko na linagyan ng drywall. Di bali na, naman siya storage lang naman siya. So, it doesn't really make a big deal. So, yan po ako, nagpipintal sa mga gilid-gilid. And hopefully, I'll be able to finish this today. Thank you! So, ito na. Yung asawa ko, guys, nagbubuhat ng furniture na dinala ko doon. Binili ko galing sa ukay-ukay. Yan po yung footstool. So, ito na po yung kasunod, yung chaise mismo. Okay guys, ito na ako. Tatanggalin ko na yung painter's tape. Oh my gosh, I hope it doesn't stick much on my wallpaper. Parang hindi naman kasi hindi ko talaga siya diniin doon sa wallpaper para hindi flimsy kasi yung wallpaper na yan Yan. At this juncture, ginawan ko na ng hook yung hanging rod ng kurtina para sa storage na yan. Yung asawa ko sabi niya, ano ba naman ang ginawa mo dyan? Kasi nasira yung pinintal niya. Kasi yung pag-hammer ko napunta doon sa kahoy na napintalan niya. Kaya ang daming sugat ng pintal niya. Sabi ko, sorry, tao lang po. But seriously, disgusto siya na kortina yung ilalagay ko dyan. Ito siya, oh. Naglilinis. Kasi nung nagpinta ako, siya the paint that I was using dripped on the floor. Kaya yan, bagulbol siya, guys. That was when I was hammering everything, and then sometimes I would miss. So that's what you get.
Come on, I mean, gotta be careful though.
You know how difficult it is to
You know how long it took me to
And you know how difficult it is for me to situate that knobs there.
Oh God.
What do you call that one, Bart? The hanger.
I don't know.
Disgusto siya kasi nasira yung pinta niya at saka gusto niya gamitin dyan is accordion door. So, ito na po yung makeshift na curtain rod kasi wala akong makita na ganito kaliit. Yan, wala akong makita sa stores na ganito kaliit. Kaya nakita ko itong a quarter round. And, temporarily, I'm gonna use this. And then, moment of truth, ikabit ko ito dyan. Hallelujah. And then, let's see how it would work. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. At kita nyo ito, guys. Ito po yung cortina na binili ko. Binili ko siya on sale. So, it cost... What's the past tense of cost? Costed?
Cost.
Just cost?
Mm-hmm.
So, it costs next to nothing, guys. Kaya, ito yung gagamitin ko dyan. Like that. Tapos, yan ang magiging storage ng room na ito. So, it would be considered a bedroom. Temporary lang itong makeshift rod na ito kasi wala akong makita. Maghahanap pa ako ng curtain rod na ganito ka-iksi. Alright. So, ito na. Ito na. Yan, itusok na natin. Kaya guys, pag may pag may on sale, kahit na ano, hindi mo pa magagamit, eh, bilihin mo na. Joke, at least for me kasi nagsa-stage ako ng mga bahay. So, pag may makita akong on sale, binibili ko na because I know in the future, magagamit ko din. Kaya ito na, I bought this like 3 years ago. Tingnan mo, nagamit ko rin. Moment of truth, ikakabit ko na po ito. Oh my goodness. So, ito na po yung storage ko. Kailangan lang yan pintalan ng napaka-white na white. Tapos, it doesn't have to be perfect kasi storage lang naman ito eh. Lalagyan ko siya ng ledge dito para may paglalagyan yung may bagong may-ari ng mga bags nila or whatever. Yan. Bagulbul yung asawa ko guys kasi ang dami daw pinta yung nasa floor, but thankfully madali lang siyang makuha. So ito na la 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 la. Moment of truth. Ito na. Oh! Bali. Oops, correction please. Nababali siya eh. Ito na guys. Tading! Oh, mataas siya. Kailangan kong putulin. But look at what I did. Kaso lang ayaw ng asawa ko kasi gusto niya talaga na pinto talaga ang ilalagay dito. Eh, paano mahal ng pinto? Wala na akong budget guys. Kaya mano-mano ko na lang. Eh, kailangan pang pintalan dyan, no? But, hindi naman ito like, it's not really a big deal. Kasi, storage lang yan. Tapos, I like it that way. Yung mga kortina-kortina ba, para para siyang may accent color dyan. Kaya lang, gusto ko sana, blue. However, yan yung nabili ko eh. Kaya, we will make use of it na. Tapos, i-arrange ko na lang itong kwartong ito. It was arranged before. Tapos, nagiging dumping site na naman ng mga construction materials ng karpentera ko. But I think I'm doing okay. Medyo lang siya may gap dyan. But it doesn't matter. Like, look. Tapos, dadalhin ko yung makina ko dito at puputulan ko yan para tamang-tama lang yung height niya from the ceiling to the floor. Well, thank you so much for watching. So much more is coming soon.
It is wet.
Oh, it is wet?
Yeah, there's nothing above it. Right? I mean, there's you shut all the windows, right?
Yeah.
Or I did. You didn't have any in the back, right?
No, I did not open anything else. Now, hopefully this pink thingy would thrive because they look like they're dying.
Well, I think what you're seeing is the...
Do you think we need to like prune them?
You'll have to do that at some point, just cut, because that's the brown that you're seeing is from the... Yeah, it's just the brown, because this one doesn't have too many of them on it. Here, let me put my glasses back.
Namumulaklak na yung daylilies ko. Pretty much soon this would open up and then would give a sweet aroma of a daylily.